chance, you know.
Hey, what is up everybody? Hey, today on the channel I want to do a product review, and this is Surf City Garage Beyond Black Tire Pro Dressing. But first I want to talk about an upcoming event on September 22nd at A&A Truck and Offroad here in Dallas, PA on Memorial Highway. It's from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. It's a customer appreciation day where they're going to have some a radio station's going to be there. They may have some food vendors there. A car crew. So if you're in the area or you're not doing anything that day, give them a call, get some of the details off of them, check them out. Check out my Wicked Fabs Facebook site. I'll keep information posted on there. So today I would like to review this Surf City Beyond Black tire dressing, and like I said, I got this from A&A Truck and Offroad, so I'd like to thank Pat, Adam, Ryan, Katie, Jeannie, Josh, Jim, and Mike for recommending this product. So we'll give this a shot. So what the product says is that it is instant new tire shine, no gel, no grease, or no sling. That means none of the product will sling onto the body of your vehicle. Tire saving UV protection, and lasts for weeks. Well, I haven't used a tire product yet that has lasted for weeks. I have used this product on the second gen down at the truck show in Bloomsburg, PA. If you go to those videos, you'll see the tire shine on that. But today we're going to review it here on the fourth gen. So let's get started. Okay, the product says for you to wash and clean your tire, which we've already did that. We pressure washed it. And here's a little tip for you. If you have an old paintbrush around that's not dirty or anything like that, one that has really never been used, I cut the handle off, and this is good for when you take it to shows and you want to clean your tires. So all I do is just brush off all the excess dirt or dust off the tire, and then the product says to shake well. So shake the product well, and then to apply to the tire. Whoop. We'll go with the wire spray. It is milky, like a milky white color. Not a bad smell to it either. So when I do the tire shine like this, I like to do a nice coat, and what I'll do is let it dry. The product says let it dry first, and then you're good to use. Now you see how all the product is dripping onto the rim? Well, after I get done shining the tire, we'll come back and we'll clean the rim. So we're going to let this dry and see what it looks like here in a few minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, now that the first coat has been applied and it's been about 20 minutes of dry time, so it doesn't look bad. Has a nice shine to it. It did turn the tire a cleaner, blacker look. It's not a shine like you would see in some of the other products that are out there in the market. So just out of curiosity, let's hit it with a second coat, and then we'll see how that turned out. You can definitely see the second coat beating off of it. Just do a nice even coverage. And we'll give this time to dry now, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like after two coats. Okay, here is the second coat. Dry time didn't take as long, probably 15 minutes. Maybe I would even give it maybe 20 minutes, give or take a few minutes. But overall, it's not a bad shine. It does do quite well like the other tire shines do. Now it says it doesn't sling the product all over your vehicle, which I did use this on the second gen, and I can vouch that it does not. So I would definitely probably put this in my detail bucket. So after I do spray my tire, what I like to get is some simple green, and just give a little squirt of the rim like that, and then I'll just go ahead and wipe off all the excess material that the tire shine has left behind. And I like using Simple Green because it's a biodegradable product and will not harm your rim. And there you go. Surf City Garage Beyond Black tire dressing. Looks pretty good on the tire. It says it works. So there you have it. Surf City Garage Beyond Black Tire Pro dressing. Definitely an awesome product. Pick some up, give it a shot, tell me what you think. This product is definitely going in my detailing bucket, so when I go to car shows and just do my daily drivers, I'd like to thanks the staff at A&A Truck and Offroad here in Dallas, PA. If you like the reviews I'm doing, give me a big thumbs up, smash down on that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you guys can get updated on the project vehicles or products that I'm doing. And my channel will be going here into the second segment shortly. So I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.